Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys see, I have a twin. Our hair is kind of alike.
We low-key twins, girl. You know, I'm like Beyonce-ish feeling myself.
Yeah, she told me she was coming today. I was like, you know what, let me pull out my wig so I can look like you. But guys, let her introduce herself.
Since we on me, hey, what it do? It's your girl, Lala Honey, and I'm coming all the way from Instagram world onto this YouTube thing with Shalom Child. I'm touching, dibbling, dabbling into the makeup.
So today's attempt is teaching Lala how to slay her eyeshadow.
Yes.
Hopefully. So I'm going to be doing it. So the thing is, I'm going to be doing my makeup, and she's just going to be, I mean, of course, I'm going to tell her, but she's going to have to do it on herself.
Yes.
So,
and I think I'm gonna do a good job.
No, I think you are, because your makeup is actually nice. So
thank you.
We're going to see how that goes. So, are you ready?
Yeah, girl, I'm ready.
Let me just say, I have a lot of stuff right in front of me.
She
Can you show us what you have?
She gonna put me on the spot.
Show
okay,
us what you have.
So I don't really have much. Let's start with the concealer. You know, this is cheap but cute as hell. It be getting the job done. I got some color corrector because, honey, we all get a little blemishes here and there.
Right.
I have concealer. Another one. This is from MAC. I like this stuff. Okay. It be popping. And then my foundation, child. I'm a little NC50 because I'm a little light.
And your brush?
Oh, this is cute. This is my brush from the crayon case. I just wanted to put it over here because I like the brush. Don't ask me what it's for.
So that is all we have. And guys, we are doing eyeshadow. Every single thing she mentioned is literally
for the face.
I'm like, okay. This is interesting. So what I like to do first.
I'm scared. This is the part that I really, really know nothing about.
Really? Trust me, it's easy. You got this.
Okay.
You got this. So I like to take my concealer.
Okay.
Okay. And I take it and put it on my brush and I apply it on my lid and I use it as a primer or like a base.
Okay.
And this is because I'm kind of dark skinned, so most of the eyeshadows do not show up on my skin if I just go directly. So using this kind of makes it.
So let me ask you this. Should I use my natural tone, or should I use a lighter one?
I would kind of say mix it again because I feel like your natural tone is a little too natural.
Okay.
Yeah. Or if you have a primer. Actually, no. Fuck it. I like using the concealer. So
okay, cute. Let's use concealer. Put it all on my lid.
Yeah. And then make sure you like blend it out. You see that?
Girl, mine don't look nothing like that.
Go ahead, blend it out. Yeah, don't add anymore. Just blend out.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the way up to my brow line?
I mean, I feel like it should just connect. Yeah, just go ahead and blend it all the way to your brow.
Like that?
You're doing really good.
Ah, hey.
Okay. You got this.
Let me find out.
Oh my God. I cannot wait to the end of this video because I just want to see what you're going to do, girl.
Girl, I'm excited. I'm nervous. And I'm also so anxious, like Genuine. Shoot.
That was a lot. That was a mouthful.
I know. What? I'm full of emotions right now. Because I'm like, I feel like I'm doing something, you know, different, new. I look good as hell.
Yeah. See?
Girl, look at me!
It's just the concealer.
Uh-oh.
We should go somewhere after this makeup.
Girl, you ain't playing.
Like, they have to see us.
Look, we could go take out the trash for all I care.
We have boxes, too. I have boxes sitting outside hoping somebody's
going
to take it.
Look.
Yeah.
If you really do got trash, I don't really want to take it out. But I would just, you know, say it. Be careful what you say, child. Look, next thing you know. Okay,
I got work.
Like, look, never mind, I'm tripping.
So guys, we're using this translucent powder. I feel like for this video, I'm not going to be really telling you guys what I'm using because we're just trying to teach her.
I don't want to make no mistake.
Just dab it. You can't make a mistake on this part.
Okay.
Yeah, you just dab it to set it. You can take it all the way to your brows too.
Okay.
I mean your, yeah, brow bone. So are we trying to do dramatic or?
Let's do dramatic, child, because I'm dramatic. Yes, right. Go hard or go home.
All right, tell them.
I'm at the crib, girl.
Okay, so we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. We're using this because it's one of my favorite palettes. And the eyeshadows are pretty well pigmented. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna take your
girl. Where this accent from?
Son, let me tell you something.
She just went across the world and brought it back to New York, honey. Yeah. I didn't even have a passport. I wasn't ready.
We're gonna mix Eden and Amber together. So you're just kind of getting a tap of Amber. Okay, so this is how you know where your above your crease is.
Okay.
So go like this. Like, do you see this? See where that line is?
Yes.
So you want to go above that. Yeah, so that's where you should start that transition color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Did I take it too high?
I think it's a little too high for right now.
Ha!
I want you to use this brush, fluffy brush, because that makes it easier for you to diffuse color.
So, a little bit of Eden and some Amber.
Yeah. If you haven't seen Lala's video, I'm just gonna go. I'm going to put it on the side of this video right now, so you guys are like seeing all the little stuff that she does while we try to get the other eye, the first portion of this eyes together. Okay?
Hey, my loves, I'm asking that you stand with me and boycott Sally Mae for debt collection and messing up my credit. I was offered a loan of $80,000, to which I completed my degree. My friends were offered $80,000 in loans, but they were able to pay them off because they actually have a job in their field. I don't. I asked Sally Mae, is there any way that I could return my degree? They told me no, we don't operate like that. I asked them, well, what was the purpose? Wrongs real quick. They said, well,
I'm the worst teacher ever. I feel like I cannot teach a class.
We believe that you're amazing.
Yeah,
that in your field. See, and my philosophy be if it's not bold, then it's not popping.
Mm-hmm. But it can still be bold, just well blended. Kind of do a lower.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Are you left-handed?
Yes, I am. That's why it's hard for me to start with my right eye.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm a right-handed, so I do everything from the right to left. That makes sense.
I feel like I got a black eye. Girl.
I know. We're going to fix it with foundation. Don't worry. I'm trying to figure out what we're going to put on the center.
Oh, that is pretty.
Do you want to put this in the center?
Yes.
So, now that we have that, this is where we do, I wouldn't consider it like a cut crease. It's just, this is called the halo.
Okay.
So, we're going to go into our concealer. Get a little circle, the center part of the lid.
Ooh, child, this is the part where I'd be like, okay,
So we're not doing a cut crease, we're just like on the center.
Okay.
And I know it looks messy, but it's gonna look good later.
So just a little mini type situation in the center of my eye.
You can make it into like a little oval, like a half circle, basically.
Okay.
Or a half moon, you would say.
Okay.
So now we're going to be taking our main course.
Yes.
Which is the Sugar Pill eyeshadow in Moneymaker. It's so freaking pretty. It's like this really nice green shade.
Yes!
Hopefully it puts me in focus too. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Okay. So now you want to go ahead and put... Ooh. Wait a minute. I'm the worst teacher. Okay, so because yours looks dry, mine doesn't. I forgot to set mine. So you don't have, I don't think you have to do this.
I thought you was coming for me saying mine look dry. I was about to say, well, wait a minute. I did put lotion on this morning, girl. Okay, that's a good thing. Never mind.
It's just mine. I have to set it before I apply that shadow.
But I didn't set mine.
Yeah, I feel like you don't have to set yours, but go ahead and set it if you want to.
Hell yeah, I want
but
to.
Mine was
I want
like
to do it
creasing.
all right. Okay.
You can use the white one. All right, take your green.
Mm-hmm.
You want to put it right on that center of that highlight that we did. Don't put it over anything.
Okay.
Literally on that little center. Wow. 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 You can use a brush if you want.
Okay, yeah, I'm nervous.
Yeah.
Like I'm going to mess it up.
That's so much better. Right,
okay.
You can spray it if you want to.
Okay.
And let me just go in.
How's that?
Boom. Yes.
I
like
feel
it.
so pretty.
You are freaking pretty.
Girl, I walk outside just like this. I don't give a fin up. My shadow popping. F a full face. It's giving
So
me
nice.
Barney and Baby Bop.
You know we don't talk about Barney.
Why?
We're going to talk about Barney. Okay, hide your kids.
Oh. I used to love
I did too.
him, okay?
I did too. Like my cousin, she would not let her so much Barney. I remember one
Why?
day and he came like across Barney's video. She's like, we don't watch Barney in this house.
For real?
No.
Why? What he did to y'all?
Yeah, you don't know about Barney?
Girl, don't tell me nothing that's gonna mess me up.
Girl, Barney. Well, the person that played Barney was, I don't know if it's allegedly or if he actually was, but he was a child. He was a child like molester.
Oh Lord,
So
Jesus.
yeah, nobody fucks with Barney.
Never mind.
I mean,
This is everything.
I'm glad you're liking it.
I really am. This is
So
so
guys, boom, we're about to do the foundation and we'll be right back.
cute.
So we are back, and as you guys can see, the faces are done. We had to cut this video a little short because it was getting way too long. So all we literally did is just do our face. She already knows how to slay her face.
But she did show me some bomb techniques for everything
so glad
else.
you learned something.
She looked good as hell. She looks good
So
as
do you.
hell.
No, I'm glad you like it. Like for real, because I think I suck at teaching people.
Really?
So I'm actually glad. Like
Well,
her
I will
eyeshadow
say,
looks
she
really
was
good.
like, let me just touch this.
Yeah.
But I was like, let me do the left eye, you know. Okay? But I love it.
Yeah. So we just decided to like do different lip, but we literally have the same eye color, everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see me and Lala do another video together, give this video a thumbs
Yes,
up.
honey. Lala
and
Squad,
comment.
come over here, show some love.
And comment down below.
Famous Monsters, comment. You know. Oh, yeah, and make sure you go to my channel to see some of the behind the scenes,
Shameless
honey.
plug.
We had a...
You know what? I was going to say that, but carry on.
My bad. We had an eventful day, honey, and we caught some of the background action on here.
Right.
You know.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to always be... Remember to always be...
Be you, ho.
Your own kind of beautiful.
Oh, that's so cute. See, she all inspirational. Wait, let's do it again.
Be you, ho.
Let's do it again.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to always be
Your own kind of beautiful.